Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege keeps crashing on PC. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna open Steam, go to your library, find the Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, click manage, click browse local files. Once you find the Rainbow Six Siege.exe, you wanna right click on it, go to properties. Now go to compatibility and make sure that you tick run this program for compatibility mode and select Windows 8. And disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin, and then click apply. Okay, after you're done with that, you want to open a file explorer, go to documents, go to my games, find Rainbow Six Siege, open it, and then you want to delete this folder. And after you deleted this folder, you want to verify the game files. So right click properties, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of the game files. Now, after you're done with that, you can also try moving the game to local disk C where your Windows is installed, because if you have it on the other disk, it could cause crashing and stuff. So you want to move your game to local disk C and then see if that helps your issue. Also, what you want to do obviously is update your NVIDIA or AMD drivers. Open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and then download the latest and greatest game-ready drivers. Go to system, turn off the G-Sync, and go to settings and disable the NVIDIA overlay. And after you're done with all of it, restart your PC and the game should work properly. If anything else doesn't work somehow, you can always reinstall Windows, and that should hopefully potentially fix that issue forever. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Rainbow Six Siege keeps crashing on PC. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.